In front of us, we have question number 2 of exercise 3.2 on comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. Find out whether the lines representing the following pair of linear equations intersect at a point are a parallel or coincident. So we have first part, that is equations of first part 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. Second equation is 7x plus 6y minus 9 equals to 0. Here a1 is coefficient of x term, b1 is coefficient of y term, that is 4 minus 4, and c1 is coefficient of constant term. Now here a2 is coefficient of x, b2 is 6 coefficient of y, and c2 is minus 9. Now we will check whether a1 by a2, this is a1 by a2, and b1 by b2 minus 4, this is minus 2 by 3. So here we can see that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So the lines are, therefore the lines intersect at a point.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.hometuitionlive.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.